In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Zoho Cliq. If you've ever found yourself needing to quickly gather opinions or make decisions within your team or group, Zoho Cliq's polling feature is a fantastic tool. And the great part is, it's incredibly simple to use, ensuring that everyone's voice can be heard with just a few clicks. To start the process, you will be initiating the poll command. In any chat window within Zoho Cliq, you have the flexibility to type out the command poll. Alternatively, you can make use of the poll bot's menu action by selecting Create a Poll. This step begins the process of setting up your poll and takes you to the next stage where you can define your poll's specifics. Once you input the command or select the option, Zoho Cliq will present you with the poll bot's interactive form. Here, a widget or pop-up will grace your screen containing a poll form. This form is where the magic happens, where you get to craft the questions and parameters that are best tailored to your needs. Now, let's dive into entering the poll details. You start by typing the question you want to pose to your group. This question should be clear and concise, ensuring that everyone understands exactly what they're providing input on. Next up, you'll set the time duration. This is how long your poll will remain active. Consider how much time is reasonable for everyone involved to see and respond to the poll. A shorter time frame might work for quick team decisions, while more extensive options should be allowed for larger groups or more serious topics. Then, it's time to outline your options. Decide how many answer choices you'd like to offer and clearly list them out. This will give your participants definitive choices to review and select, making it easy for them to provide their input. Once you've double-checked that everything looks good, you're ready to set your poll in motion. Simply click the Create Poll button, and voila, your poll will be published to your chat. Participants will now be able to see the poll, review the options, and click their preferred choice. If you're dealing with a simpler set of choices or prefer a different method, Zoho Cliq also allows you another option. Consider using reactions as an informal polling method. You can post each option as an individual message in the chat and then ask your team members to react with a specific emoji based on their choice. This can be a fun and visually straightforward alternative for quick team consultations. And there you have it. A straightforward and effective way to create polls in Zoho Cliq that ensures everyone in your team has a chance to weigh in on the decisions that matter. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.